Wow! Aloha! Welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. Today I'm making Halloween slime. Chee-hoo! Let's get started. This is the Halloween slime. I'm going to do the kids' recipe. Mom's gonna help me now. Let's get started. This is what we need for the recipe. I'm gonna put the whole glue inside. Wow.
That's so cool.
We need the orange blue pen. Use the dark green now. Eee! That's enough.
That's all you want to put in?
Yeah.
You put it a bit more?
No.
Okay.
Now it's time for the black. See, it's black.
Okay. That's it?
That's it. Now we're gonna put all of this inside. And then all of this inside. Wow! I'm gonna mix it now. So pretty. I think I'm ready to take it out now. Wow! 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 Very. This looks like a sticky slimy. Wow. Sticky slimy. Wow, it looks like bubbles. Wow. This looks beautiful. Wow. Wow. My, that is so cool. Ah, get off my hand. Thank you for watching. Wow. Wow, this slime looks bigger than me.
on.
Bubble, bubble. Get this off me. Get this thing off me. Baby slime, pick on me. It's in my arm. Look at this. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Squish, 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 and then squish it. Squish, squish, squish. Aloha, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. Today I'm making emoji gold plus. Let's get started. Woo! Choo! Hi guys, today I'm making my slime, but no glue. Let's get started. Yay! Slime!